How's it going, guys? Indiana John here again. Tonight, or this morning, I guess, I've got another unboxing. This one is a knife I've wanted for a long time. Using this guy from last night. Let's see if that did it. Nope. Oh man. I've wanted one of these and I've almost got one several times. But money has usually been prohibiting. Let's put that over there. Okay. Ooh. Got a display box. Mini freak. Oh. Might help if I cut the tape on it. Oh boy. Hope my camera doesn't die. It does that when I get cold. Well, when it gets cold. Oh boy. So I got this, and he offered to throw another one in there for free. Got this from Hexacutor, by the way, or Hexacutter. Boom. That's my grail right there. And just because he's so generous, he decided he'd, throw this in there. For free. But the main thing is the squiddy seed. But, this is cool too. Nice. Awesome. Thanks again, man. Sorry if the video was really jittery. It's kind of chilly out, even though there isn't like any snow left. Looks like put some bandits in there. Appreciate that. And the original washers. Nice little case. Very, very excited about this. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a good one.